Good afternoon guys, David here from Sunshine Acres on the beautiful Sunshine Coast. Just doing a walk around here of the new little mini excavator that I've imported directly from Alibaba. This is the Cartywell CW12S. It's a 1.2 tonne. Some of the details for this machine are it has a twin gear pump, so it has a dedicated pump for accessories if you need that. Comes with a coupe single cylinder engine, the 195, I believe it's around 10 kilowatts. The travel speed is approximately 2 kilometers an hour. It's quite slow, but remember this is an excavator, it's for digging. It has a bucket force of 9 kilonewtons. The weight is allegedly 1200 kilograms, but we all know that sometimes they exaggerate the weight, so we're just going to call it a 1-ton machine. It has a digging depth of 1.8 meters and a track width of 1 meter and 50 millimeters. The tracks are quite standard. It's just a normal mechanical adjustment. There's only the 2 rollers in these, but remember this doesn't go very far or very fast. Overall, the build quality is quite reasonable. There was not a single loose bolt on this machine. I've been right over it. Just having a look in the rear here. The panels are thin. Remember, this is one of the cheapest machines you can buy on the market, and I think it represents quite reasonable value. There's our coupe engine. Our fuel tank is up there. It does come standard with a hydraulic cooler. A small counterweight here. It could probably do with some additional counterweight in the future. We fuel up the engine via the seat here, which has to be removed to get at the fuel tank over here. There's our throttle. It does have basic pilot controls. It's sitting in the dash here. This is our thumb grab, this is our blade, and our travel backwards and forwards. We've only got a voltmeter and an hour gauge. I think at a later stage we probably need a temperature gauge. Under the dash here, under here is our hydraulics. There's a tank. Most of the hydraulics are fairly neat and tidy. Everything's up and out of the way. Quite a decent return line to and from the hydraulic cooler, and there's a full-size battery. Overall, I don't see any welds like that you would expect on some of these cheap machines to be dodgy. All these look like they're great little welds. Everything's in place and everything was delivered as expected. It comes standard with a hydraulic thumb, standard with swing boom, and a 400 millimeter bucket is standard. Comes with a metal hood. However, that is not a ROPS, it's just a sunshade, and I wouldn't consider that a safety cage. Hydraulics test. It's reasonably alright. I did have to upgrade under here. No. Basic operational test. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this content, give me a like and subscribe. Head on over to our Facebook group as well. Mini Excavators Down Under Australia. Pinned to the top is some links to the other groups, mini skid steers as well, and there is also a direct import group as well. If you're interested in that, shoot me a message and I'll provide you a link for that. Hope you've enjoyed this content. Thank you. Have a great day.